Very good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss the topic formula errors. Formula errors means something when we do calculations in Microsoft Excel with the help of formula, we do some kind of mistakes. These kind of mistakes can be syntax due to syntax or can be related to some logical mistakes. So let's have a look. For example, I have a length, breadth, and I need to calculate area and perimeter, right? And I have some value, say 90, and some value 67. For area is equal to length multiply breadth, and we can see the value is coming easily. And in the same manner, 2 multiply bracket begin length plus breadth. So till now there is no problem, but if I make some change in the value, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so till now there's no problem, but as I decrease the size of this particular cell, these kind of hashes will appear. This is depicting the space error. This error appears when there is a lack of space in the cells. Maximum 4 digits, if there are, it will be showing hashes. As there will be space for the fifth one, then this error will not be displayed. So whenever hashes are displayed, the first thing should be to double click and to get the actual value on the desired cell. Next is about the name error. Name error appears when we use some wrong name in the values. For example, I want to use a function product. Instead of multiplication, I'm using product. You can see there's a product function, and I just need to choose the number, say length comma breadth bracket close, and again the answer is coming. But if in case due to some clerical mistake, due to some uh, typing mistake, I just write prod and then I do enter, so it will be displaying the name error. Name error means I have used some wrong name, right? Next is if I try to divide something with 0. For example, there is a parameter and say area itself, and the formula is product, but what I am doing is equal length divided by breadth. This I am doing by mistake, and another mistake I am doing is putting 0, so it will be showing the error division by 0. This is actually not allowed. We cannot divide any number with 0, so this error will be displayed. Now there is one more error which is called value error. Value error is a kind of error. It occurs if the formula contain invalid data. Now what is invalid data? Suppose if I have the value here, say 1 2 3, and here I have the value ABG, and here I am trying to divide it, so it is showing the hash value error, because we all know that the number and the alphabets, they cannot be dealt together in any kind of operation, so it will display value error. So till now we have discussed this one, that is hash error, space error. One we have discussed, that is name error. Another one we have discussed, hash value error, which is in front of you. Another one we have discussed, hash div, that is division by 0, this error. These all are the errors which we have been facing recently while making calculation in our day-to-day life, and these all errors were included in our curriculum till last year. This year one more error is included in our curriculum, that is hash ref error, which means it is related to reference. What the theory says, this error occurs when the formula refers to a cell that does not exist. Fine. This usually happens when the referred cell has been deleted from the worksheet. Means I am applying a formula for that cell which is not existing actually. For example, on this cell itself, I am applying F10 divided by G10. It's fine. And here also I'm giving a proper value. So area is coming. But in this case, if I delete this particular column, so there will be reference error. Why? Because the formula is trying to access a value and that value doesn't exist because it has been deleted accidentally or due to some other reason. So students, we have discussed these kind of errors today. I have shown you the demonstration, and if you will recall this once again by watching the video, then definitely you will be able to understand. Thank you so much.